Hello everyone. Welcome to our comprehensive guide to torque wrenches and bike tools. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the top products on the market, and we'll provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Product 1, Power-Built 1/2 inch Drive Torque Wrench Deflecting Beam. The Power-Built 1/2 inch Drive Torque Wrench Deflecting Beam is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality torque wrench at an affordable price. With a range of 20 to 150 feet/lbs, this torque wrench is suitable for most applications. The deflecting beam design ensures you get accurate readings every time, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. The only downside is that it is not as precise as other torque wrenches on the market. Product 2, Wera 507-562-2001 Click Torque C3 Torque Wrench with a reversible ratchet. Wera 507-562-2001 Click Torque C3 Torque Wrench is a high-quality torque wrench with a reversible ratchet that provides excellent accuracy and precision. The reversible ratchet makes it easy to use, and the range of 2.5 to 25 Nm is suitable for most applications. The audible click signal lets you know when you've reached the desired torque, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. The only downside is that it is slightly more expensive than other torque wrenches on the market. Product 3, Summit Tools 1/2 inch Ultra Precision Digital Torque Wrench. The Summit Tools 1/2 inch Ultra Precision Digital Torque Wrench is a high-end torque wrench that provides excellent accuracy and precision. The digital display makes it easy to read, and the range of 5 to 100 feet/lbs is perfect for most applications. The reversible ratchet makes it easy to use, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. The only downside is that it is quite expensive. Product 4, Nyko Pro 03716B 3/4 Torque Multiplier Power Wrench, 2200 FTLBS, CRMO/CRV steel. The Nyko Pro 03716B 3/4 Torque Multiplier Power Wrench is a high-quality torque wrench designed for heavy-duty applications. With a range up to 2,200 foot-pounds, this torque wrench is perfect for even the toughest jobs. The CRMO/CRV steel construction ensures that it is durable and long-lasting, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. The only downside is that it is quite bulky and heavy. Product 5, Park Tool PK5 Professional Tool Kit. The Park Tool PK5 Professional Tool Kit is a comprehensive tool kit that contains everything you need to repair and maintain your bike. Including 120 tools, you'll have everything you need to tackle any job. The tools are made of high-quality materials and designed for professional use. The only downside. Product 6, CDI Torque 401 SM Micro Adjustable Torque Screwdriver, Torque Range 5 to 40 inch-pounds. The CDI Torque 401 SM Micro Adjustable Torque Screwdriver is an excellent choice for those looking for a torque wrench that is compact and easy to use. With a torque range of 5 to 40 inch-pounds, this torque screwdriver is suitable for most applications. The micro-adjustable feature allows for precise torque settings, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. The only downside is that it is not suitable for heavy-duty applications. Product 7, Topic D-Torque Torque Wrench. The Topic D-Torque Torque Wrench is a high-quality torque wrench designed for professional use. With a range of 4 to 80 Nm, this torque wrench is suitable for a wide range of applications. The digital display allows for precise torque settings, and the audible alert lets you know when you've reached the desired torque. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, and the compact size makes it easy to store. The only downside is that it is quite expensive. Product 8, Benzo Bike Cycle Indoor Storage Pedal Wall Mount Hanger Stand Hook Rack Holder. The Benzo Bike Bicycle Indoor Storage Pedal Wall Mount Hanger Stand Hook Rack Holder is an excellent choice for those looking for a storage solution for their bikes. This wall mount hanger stand can hold your bike with pedals, which is a unique and space-saving design. The heavy-duty construction ensures it's durable and long-lasting, and the rubber coating on the hook protects your bike from scratches. The only downside is that it is not suitable for all types of bikes. And that concludes our comprehensive guide to torque wrenches and bike tools. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in your search for the right tool for your needs. Be sure to consider your budget, the type of work you'll be doing, and your skill level when choosing a torque wrench or bike tool. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Check video description for details.